Mama said kindness could change the world, but I've seen it swallowed in smoke and curl. Truth used to shine like a morning bell, now it's buried deep in a wishing well. There are cracks in the stories they told us, splinters in the pledge we recite. I used to kneel for something holy, now I'm standing just to fight. The dreams got rust in the hinges, and the paint's peeling off of the past. I still love this place, but damn it, it was never built to last. They sold me pride in a plastic frame, told me freedom had a trademark name, waved their flags while